Your brain is being hijacked. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, junk food. It's all dopamine overload. And if you've ever felt lazy, unmotivated, addicted to scrolling, this is the exact reason why. I did a dopamine detox, and it literally rewired the way I live. This video could change your life too, but only if you let it. So, how do you know if you need the dopamine detox? For me, it started when I realized I couldn't focus for more than 5 minutes. I would open YouTube to watch one video and 3 hours would disappear. My goals, my time, they were wasted. I knew something had to change. Then I started the dopamine detox, and in 24 hours I saw everything differently. I was bored, I was uncomfortable, but I finally felt real. Like my brain was finally awake again. What exactly is dopamine? Let's keep it simple. Dopamine is a chemical in your brain that makes you feel good when you're doing something enjoyable, like eating chocolate, scrolling social media, or watching Netflix. But here is the catch. Too much dopamine from easy things ruins your motivation for hard things. Studying, working out, building your business, they all feel boring because your brain is addicted to cheap dopamine. That's why a dopamine detox is so powerful. It resets your brain. It teaches you how to live your life and enjoy your life again, but the right way. Here is what a dopamine detox actually looks like. You remove all high dopamine activities for a day, or even a few hours. No phone, no video games, no junk food, no music. Just silence, a notebook, deep or hard work, sitting alone or a walk outside. Sounds crazy? That's the whole point. Your brain finally gets a break from constant stimulation. And guess what happens next? You start wanting to do the hard things again. Studying, working out, or planning your future. That's the whole power of the detox. You don't need to go full monk mode on day 1. Here is how to start. Step 1. Pick one day this week, just one, and decide you'll detox for 4 to 8 hours. Step 2. Eliminate distractions. Turn off your phone or leave it in another room. No screens, no music. Step 3. Prepare a few activities. Journal, go for a walk, clean your room, think, breathe. You're not trying to do nothing. You're training your brain to stop craving cheap pleasure, so it can finally focus on the things that matter. Most people will hear this and say, yeah, cool idea, and then scroll to the next video. That's exactly why they stay stuck. But if you're still watching, I know you're not one of them. You want to level up. You want focus, purpose, and power over your mind. Then you have to try this. At least once. I promise you. It will shock you how addicted we really are. But that shock is the start of something amazing. Dopamine detox is not just a challenge. It's a powerful weapon. If you want to win in this distracted world, you need a clear mind. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel, press that like button, and drop a comment. Or better, go live it. Go be different. Go be free. Good luck. Stay disciplined.